Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add on-screen keyboard on taskbar. So first of all, click on Start, scroll down, click on Windows Ease of Access. Now right click on on-screen keyboard, click on More and click on Pin to Taskbar. In here you need to click Pin to Taskbar. Now you will see icon of keyboard. You want to add on-screen keyboard, so just click on it. So that's it friends. By this very easy and simple method you can add on-screen keyboard on your Windows 10 PC taskbar. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.